The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the side panel. Remove the footwell sealing panel. Pull on the base of the glove box door and lift to remove the glove box from its hinges. Remove the dampener cord from the glove box. Remove the 7 screws securing the top of the glove box assembly using a Phillips head screwdriver. Pry off the glove box assembly. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1119 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter housing door by sliding the left tab in first. Then press on the right side until the lock clicks into place. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Reinstall the screws. Clip the dampener arm back onto the glove box. Reinstall the glove box by relatching the hinges. Some carefully applied pressure on the base sides will have it click into place. Close the glove box. Reinstall the footwell sealing. Reinstall the side panel.